Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ankita and Kunj World, and my name is Kunj Patel and I am 10 years old, and today we are going to do an experiment at home with less ingredients. The name of the experiment is smoke fountain. We require candles, a transparent glass filled up with tap water, a fork, scissor, matchbox or lighter, and paper tape. So first of all, we need to take out the paper tape and cut it with the help of scissors. Now you have to roll it and make sure it have gap in between. Now you have to put in the fork. Outside you have to keep more and inside you have to little. Now you have to burn it with the bigger side and wow, super. Wow, super. Oh my God! You enjoy the experiment and try this experiment at home, but be careful. And that's for it today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.